Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to become a Canva contributor and actually sell templates online. So guys, it's quite amazing. Did you know you can actually earn passive income by selling templates on Canva? In this video I'll show you how to become a Canva contributor. I'll show you how to sell templates online in 2026 for Canva. All right, guys. So first off, what is the contributor program? So the Canva contributor program lets designers earn money by uploading templates, graphics and elements, photos and illustrations. You then get to earn royalties whenever users use or download your designs. So basically, you are working for Canva at that point. You get to showcase whatever funky, crazy, unique design you have in your templates or in your projects, and then people who find interest in those kind of things actually, their payments for Canva Pro are paid to you in royalties, and you get paid for whatever you post or upload. So guys, what templates sell the best on Canva? Let's simply go through the templates menu, and you'd see that it is usually Instagram posts and reels, presentations and pitch decks, as well as business flyers. So if you scroll through Discover Canva, you get to see what people are actually interested in. You can see most of these are premium, so these users are actually getting paid for their contributions. You can see every simple template that is a premium template gets paid for. People actually pay to get their hands on something as good as this, and they are rewarded for everything they create. You can basically see the new Chinese here. You can see the premium on it. You can see sales. You can even see love letters, just the whole thing. And another high demand template is planners and worksheets. So it's not really mentioned, but people are actually deep into worksheets and planners because a lot of people have events coming up. It's close to Valentine's Day and people would like to plan some stuff. And last but not least is YouTube thumbnails. So people actually love to search on Canva for YouTube thumbnails. That's where you're most likely to get some of the most artistic thumbnails you can ever find and customize. But there is a bit of relaxation when it comes to creating your own you know YouTube thumbnail. All right, so what are the requirements you need to know before you become a Canva contributor? I guess we can find some of this out when we simply use a Google search to simply search for the Canva contributor website. So it says here, the Canva Creators Program, formerly known as Contributor, so the Canva Contributor Program allows designers, photographers and illustrators to sell their work, that's templates, photos, graphics, videos, fonts, and earn royalties. So you can simply look up the meaning of royalties, but they are like rewards. Now you can users can apply at canva.com to join a community that creates stock media. So basically stock media is media that can easily be used for different things. People can use your medias in their YouTube videos without attracting copyright issues. People can use your media on their games. They can use your media on their planners, presentations, wedding invites. People can just use your stock media anywhere. And then also the templates are used by millions of users. So the key details of the contributor program. So the type of content you can submit are usually templates, that's social media presentation, as I just mentioned earlier. And then the elements are either graphics, illustrations, icons, fonts, or educational resources. So an example of an educational resource would be the Funcraft workshop. Now heading back here, you can see that in earnings, contributors earn royalties whenever a Canva user utilizes their design, element, or template in a design. So basically, if someone makes use of your Canva template, you get paid royalties. And now the application process is interested individuals can apply via the Canva creator page, which I'll be showing you in a couple of minutes or seconds. The platform focus. So the program aims to build a diverse, high quality marketplace for users worldwide. The program is open to both hobbyists and professionals looking to monetize their creative work. So if you design templates on Canva for fun, you can start designing and actually earning some, pay. You can start making money. All right, so let's take a look at the contributor platform. So welcome to Canva and welcome to the contributors page. So it says here, due to the high popularity of their contributor program, they have paused signups. But if you would like to contribute elements in the future, please come back later. So we can't really join the contributors, but basically you could easily sign up and sell your media online and actually start earning, as people love Canva. People use Canva on a daily basis. This is one of the biggest projects in, existence when it comes to graphic designing. No one does it as Canva. So basically what you're meant to do is to sign up. Then you become a contributor with a single click. A hobbyist or a professional, it doesn't matter. They would love to have you. And then you can upload your work, your items, either individually or as a collection. And then they'll review them and get back to you in a few days. And then you can start earning. So basically what you need to apply for this is basically a free Canva account. So you need an account. You also need original designs made by you and basic design skills. So you're going to be employed full time. So you better have some skills. And also you can apply by, producing something that people would want to use. And then create high selling templates as well by using popular fonts, colors, keeping your layout editable, and then designing it for multiple niches. So your template should be used in multiple niches basically. And then you get paid by templates usage, downloading, and licensing. All right, guys, so that's how you can join the Canva contributor. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.